Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals, and today I wanna show you the easiest and best way to transfer files from iPhone to Android phone. The best thing is that we can transfer all type of data like contacts, call logs, messages, music, photos and videos between iOS and Android devices, and on top it's free to download. So let's begin and know how to transfer data from iPhone to Android phone. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified. Also watch this biggest giveaway and tutorial from me at WM Originals for a chance to win $100 Amazon gift card. Let's begin with the tutorial and know the complete process. Well, I will be using Wondershare Dr. Phone Toolkit to transfer files from iPhone to Android phone. It's complete mobile solution which you can try for free and also offers WhatsApp transfer, screen unlock, data recovery, phone backup, phone manager, system repair, data eraser and password manager along with phone transfer. So we can say Wondershare Dr. Phone is a complete mobile device solution for iOS and Android devices, which also helps in many scenarios from system breakdowns and data loss to phone transfer and much more. Let's click on phone switch to know more about Dr. Phone transfer. It takes just one click to copy data from iPhone to Android or transfer data from Android to iPhone, and it also supports iOS 15 and Android 11. Dr. Phone transfer works perfectly for more than 8,000 plus devices from brands like Apple, Samsung, Oppo, Sony, Google, Realme, Xiaomi. Also works on unlocked devices. Wow, that's nice. Let's give it a try, and for that click on try it free. Once download completes, click on downloaded file to begin with the installation process. Click on install and let the installation complete. Once done, click on start to open Wondershare Dr. Phone Toolkit. Here it is clean and simple UI to begin with. Here are many more capabilities of Wondershare Dr. Phone, and today I will show you all how to use Dr. Phone transfer to transfer data from iPhone to Android phone. But before we begin with data transfer, let me show you the data I am looking to transfer. This is my iPhone which has call history, contacts, text messages, and here are few photos and videos which I am looking to transfer to my new Android device, and here is my Android device which does not have any data as of now. So now let's see how Wondershare Dr. Phone transfer works. Click on phone transfer, and here we have Wondershare Dr. Phone transfer. We are just required to connect our devices through USB. Here I have connected my iPhone and it starts loading data. It may take some time depending on the size of data on iPhone. Once done, it shows up available data which we can transfer to target device. Here I have contacts, blocked contacts, text messages, call logs, contacts, calendar, alarm, Safari history and few photos. Now connected Android phone to computer via USB. Here we need to enable developer mode and give some permissions. Once done, it will install connector app on Android phone. Once it gets connected, we are ready to transfer our data from iPhone to Android. We can select all or can select a category of data to transfer. Let's select contacts, text messages, call logs, calendar, alarm, bookmarks and photos. Once selected, click on start transfer, and here it will ask to change default messaging app. Allow it on Android phone and click on OK. It starts copying data from iPhone to Android. You can see all the progress over here. It may take some time depending on the size of data. It will again ask to change back default messaging app. Allow it on Android phone and click on OK. And here we have confirmation. We have copied the data completely. Transfer completed. Successfully transferred 1926 items. Now let's check our Android phone to see the copied data. Here we have the call history, contacts, text messages, and here are some photos and videos successfully transferred from my iPhone to Android device. Wow, it's fantastic. Following the same way, we can also transfer data from Android to iPhone, iPhone to iPhone, or Android to Android. So effortless and 100% working. Will highly recommend it. And if you want to try, check the links in description and pin comment. Well, we can do so much more with Wondershare Dr. Phone Toolkit. And if you want to know how to recover deleted photos using Wondershare Dr. Phone Data Recover, then you can watch this data recovery tutorial from my channel. Now you may ask, is Wondershare Dr. Phone Toolkit free or safe to use? Well, it's 100% safe to use, and yes, Dr. Phone Toolkit also comes with a trial version with partial features. But to use all features, you will require a plan. And here we have Wondershare Dr. Phone phone transfer pricing plans. We also have big saving plans with Wondershare Dr. Phone iOS Toolkit and Wondershare Dr. Phone Android Toolkit pricings. And that's not enough. You can also get Wondershare Dr. Phone full toolkit as well. So if you are looking to switch your device and want to transfer data from iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone, you should try Wondershare Dr. Phone Toolkit. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. And if there are any issues or if you have any feedback, do share those in comments. That's all I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.